Good morning, family real. It's Real here. So today is very sunny outside, as you can see. There we go. It's not raining anymore. So we're going to different parks and again places we're about to find out later on. So stick around for that and let's go! So for this lovely early morning, we haven't had our breakfast yet in the hotel. So we're having brekkie at Doutor, which is just near our hotel. If you watched my Japan vlog number 2, this is where my mom ate her breakfast sandwich. So we're going back this time for me to eat.
One. And then apple juice, medium size.
medium. Yeah.
Here, yes.
ありがとうございます。
ミラノサンド C お待たせいたしました。
So I haven't had my breakfast yet, so we're having breakfast here near our hotel. And we're having this like teriyaki chicken sandwich with apple juice. This apple juice is so good. Also this one. It has like a special mayo. Very distinct taste. It's very yummy. After our very fulfilling breakfast, time to go to our first destination. Today we are going back to the busy crosswalks of Shibuya to visit Miyashita Park. Miyashita Park is situated in one of the few green spaces within the business neighborhoods of Shibuya Ward, surrounded on one side by the tracks of Yamanote Line and Saikyo Line, running between Shibuya Station and Harajuku Station. This park was actually closed in 2017 and then reopened in July 2020 as a shopping complex with a rooftop park. So yes, basically you can also go on a shopping spree here as there are numerous retail stores inside. Going up to the top floor, it's a modernized park with lots of activities that you can do. You can either play beach volleyball or just chill and roam around to check out this wall climbing wall. Not sure if you're allowed to actually climb this one. And they also have this Doraemon statue for photo op sessions. Kinda random to see Doraemon and the gang hanging out under the sun here at Miyashita Park, but you know, it's a cool photo op spot. From here, you can also see the Tower Records building, which we visited and went on a K-pop shopping spree in Japan vlog number 3. Now, it's lunchtime. Let's have lunch at Miyashita Park's food hall. Lots of restaurants inside, including Panda Express, but for today, we're trying out Veggie Go. Okay, don't get fooled by the name. It's not a vegan restaurant, but rather they serve Korean food. You know, Korean food is like my second favorite cuisine in the world next to Japanese. So anytime I get the chance to eat Korean food, I'm gonna take it. After placing our order, the drink is self-service, and little self-service things like this honestly makes me feel a bit joyful because it feels like I'm one of the staff, you know? Anyway, after a few moments, the alarm went off, and our food is now ready for pickup. I ordered this cheese fondue style set with yanyomi chicken and pork kalbi. Mashikara saya! Okay, my tummy is now full, so let's go to our next destination. We're currently outside Shinjuku Station appreciating the view as there are a lot of fascinating buildings. But let's brace ourselves because it's going to be a long walk going to Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden. Before entering the garden, we have to get our tickets first, and the ticket costs 500 yen, which is around 209 pesos. So yes, not that expensive, and you got all the time to chill out in this humongous garden. So we're currently at Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden, so it's like a garden. Like a forest, like a lot of trees, grass. People have picnic here, and for us, we can also have like a walk to unwind, serendipity walk. So It's very chill here, just to relax. Whew, that was a heck of a walk. Are you all tired already? Okay, so let's freshen up by eating some delicious ice cream from Under the Tree National Park's cafe. One of the things I love the most here in Japan is their ice cream. And here, they have a lot of flavors, guys. Melon, condensed milk strawberry, Hokkaido azuki, black sesame, French vanilla, and caramel. So, what do you think are we gonna order?
Hi, one rose. Yes.
One moment, please.
Okay, sure.
Thank you so much. ありがとうございます。
Yes, none of the above. Because we are ordering the rose flavor, which is I think their newest flavor. Okay, I can hear you from receipts. Rose! What does that taste like? Let's all calm down. We'll get to that in a bit. But for now, let's get our ice cream.
Okay.
Nice hairstyle.
Oh wow, thank you. Okay. Thank you. You too.
Now, isn't that amazing? The lady complimented my hair. And of course, this ice cream looks super amazing too, okay? And the moment of truth. How does the rose ice cream taste? Let's find out all together. Tastes like rose. The flower. And I wanted more, so we're back.
Hi, one black sesame.
Okay.
I wasn't able to fully film before how they make the ice cream, so this time we are watching the ice cream magic. I am not sure if we have this flavor in the Philippines, but black sesame has always been one of my go-to ice cream flavors here in Japan. Not sweet, just delish. So before we end this day, you all already know the drill. We're going to eat a delicious dinner. This time we went back to Ginza to eat at Mos and Cafe, which is also Mos Burger. Originally from Japan, they branched out in the Philippines recently, but I've never tried it in our country, so I cannot compare if the taste and quality are identical. Anyway, they also have a wide variety of menu items here to choose from, so it took me some time to pick which one to order, but I ended up ordering their new variety pack. 2 large french fries, 2 fried edamame and corn hash, 2 pieces of Mos chicken, all for 1,700 yen, which is 709 pesos. So yeah, that is a lot. Prayers that we actually finish this. Happy dinner, everybody! It has like corn and hash inside. So today we are going to Tokyo DisneySea.